Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Back up to iCloud or to your computer so you can restore if needed. Once done, make sure the device is plugged in or has at least 50% battery and a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid interruptions. Next, check storage and free up at least 5 GB if required by removing large apps or media. Finally, go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update to start downloading the update package and observe progress on the screen. You let the download finish, then choose Install Now or Install Tonight depending on your schedule. Install Tonight is useful if you want the update after hours. Once the installer runs, keep the device awake by temporarily disabling auto lock and avoid closing essential apps that manage background tasks. During installation, you may be prompted for your passcode or Apple ID. Enter these when requested because they verify your identity and enable encrypted settings to migrate. Watch the progress bar until the device restarts cleanly. You complete the final setup steps after reboot, review new privacy prompts, enable features you want, and sign in if asked to restore services. Make sure to re-enable auto lock, Face or Touch ID, and background app refresh to restore normal behavior. If the update stalls or the device is unresponsive, force restart first. If that fails, retry the update via Finder/iTunes or restore from your backup. This approach preserves data and resolves most installation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.